In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the speed ramping feature in Filmora. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So, the speed ramping feature can be used to create some cinematic looks to your videos, especially more or less some action videos. Now, you can use keyframes for the speed ramps to create some fast movements or some slow movements. I'll walk you step by step through all the different options available, and even how you can actually create your own custom presets to use for your speed ramps. So let's get into it. And I do have a video here. If I can just double click on it, just some skating, more or less something that will really benefit from the speed ramps available to slow down and increase some movement, etc. So that looks good. Let's just stop that. Let's add this to timeline, and it's available for us here to now manipulate the way we want. Now, you can click on this particular speed feature here and adjust the speed of your media or play it backwards. If I click on it, there are a couple of options. There's uniform speed, speed ramping. We also have the slow down, fast, normal, freeze, reverse. But with the speed ramping, you now incorporate almost all these features in it. So let's click on that. And once we click on speed ramp, what we get is we get the none feature. We get the option to customize, the montage, hero moment, bullet time, jumper, flash in, flash out. All these are customizable, but let's say we just want to do a quick one and add maybe something like a montage. Let's click on that, and this is what we actually get for that. And if you look at this section, we already have some sort of speed ramp. If we actually play this, look at this particular section, it's normal and then moves fast and then slows down, and then picks up back pace to the normal pace, to almost the normal pace, that is. And there we have it. That is the montage. The hero moment more or less looks like that. But if we look at that, speeds up, slows down, picks up again super fast, there we go, and then slows down back to normal. Looks really good, especially the last part where the lady turns and does her move and whatnot. So you can easily use this to quickly create some awesome movements, cinematic movements to your videos and all that. So if you're satisfied, just click on OK and all that. But let's assume we want to create our own custom preset for the speed ramp. So we can click on customize, and by default everything is just at 1x. So if we actually look at this clip here and play it, it's just the normal pace. But let's assume we want to add a speed ramp here for maybe some fast movement. You can click on this to add an adjustment point. Click on that, and then we can maybe bring it up slightly so that if we look at this section, it's fast and then slows down back to normal. So we can actually adjust this to come down, so that if we go here, play, it goes down, goes back up as they do their move right there, and it looks really, really good. So we can also now adjust this for this to pick up some pace. There we go, looks good. And then we can just actually make this end up on some slow movement, because she does some spectacular move right there, turns around, and then does her glasses like that. Looks really, really good. If you love it, what you've created here as the customize, you can click on save as custom, and then you can call it maybe skating or whatever. Just be creative. Don't just name it anyway, but whichever name works for you. Skate shots, that looks good. Okay, and then you'll now see your skate shots available here, so you can click OK. And if you actually just add another clip here, just the same clip, and then click on this speed ramp, and then just come here, we actually want this clip to have the speed ramp, just click on this, and it's actually applied automatically. Now the one thing you'll notice is that the size of the video is different because obviously there are sections of that are sped up and some sections that are slowed down. So it looks really good, And maybe the final thing you need to note is that if you have audio accompanying your clips, you need to check this maintain audio pitch. If you don't click maintain audio pitch, you're going to get video or audio that sounds funny and is quite chaotic, maybe for your viewers or for the effect that you're looking for. But simply put, that is how to use the speed ramping feature in Filmora 11. I hope this video helps you to create more cinematic shots from your maybe action films or action shots in Filmora. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.